right, welcome to Baker's Baking Baked. My name's Heather, and this is our first episode of Triple B's. So today on Triple B's, I'm going to be making some Oreo Chocolate Truffles. Delicious. I also call them chocolate balls because it's easier, but so good and so fucking simple because remember, we're a little baked. Well, let's get after it. Some parchment paper and some kind of pan. Oh, you could do a mess up like me and cut it too short, and I can't even, oh my god, do I just cut another piece or what? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it as is.
Fixed it.
A mixing bowl. Perhaps a spoon might be helpful as well. So first, you're going to take your 30 to 32 Oreos, depending on how many you want to snack on, and you're going to So there are 3 ways to do the grinding up the Oreos. You can do option 1, a nice lovely food processor. I don't have a food processor. Or option 2, you can get a little bit of anger out, and let's grab a Ziploc bag and maybe, I don't know, a wooden spoon, roller pin would be helpful.
And just smash the shit out of it.
Or option 3, which is what I do, is use either a NutriBullet or a blender.
But, do whatever you feel best, right? We're baked.
To show you that secret again of the NutriBullet grinding of the Oreos. Like I said, I can only fit 10 in here. In my lovely Ninja. Oh, so lovely. Let's see how it works. So, top's on. I'm ready to go. Oh, not plugged in. Such a fail, man. Oh my gosh. So embarrassing. I got it, don't worry. Let's try it again. Take 2. Now that we've got that all sorted out, I think it's time for a little
Cookie break, don't you think? I mean, we've been baking baked.
Now that we're done with our snack break, we better close these up because we're probably going to eat them. Time for the next step, which is to
soften the cream cheese.
But there are 2 ways to soften a cream cheese. First way, we wait until it gets to room temperature. Second option, put it in a microwavable bowl, maybe about 30 seconds, until you can stick your finger in. Want it to be this soft.
Squishy.
Don't we just pop that old cream cheese into the bowl and mix it.
Fifteen minutes later.
And the final product. Mm.
Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Look at that. Mm. Oh. Mm.
Mm, 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 mm. That's a wrap on Triple B's today. Catch you next time.